Everyone, Mem, a trader here, and in this video, we will talk about the two most important concepts in technical analysis of stock price. These are the support and resistance. Okay, so sisimplihan lang natin yung ating version kasi para sa mga beginners. Alright, so kung may idea ka na sa support and resistance, alam mo na kung paano gamitin yung support and resistance, probably this video is not for you. Pero kung baguhan ka pa lang sa stock market, you need to check this video out. Pag-uusapan din natin kung ano ba ang support and resistance and kung paano i-draw yung support and resistance at kung paano natin ito pwede magamit in our advantage. Alright, game, simulan na natin. First and foremost, we have to identify what is support level and resistance level. So support level refers to the price level at which price had difficulties to break below. It is also the area where buyers tend to purchase or enter the trade. While resistance level is the price level at which the price had difficulties to break above. It is also the area where buyers tend to exit the trade. So this is what support and resistance normally looks like in a chart. So this line below is the support and this line above it is the resistance. Lagyan lang natin ng tag S and then R, okay? So this is how it usually looks like. So the price go down and then tataas ulit and then bababa ulit. So this level here, this is the area kung saan humihina yung force ng mga sellers at lumalakas yung force ng mga buyer kasi masyado nang bumababa yung price, no? So kapag ikaw nakabili ka sa taas, ayaw mo namang ibenta sa baba, right? So dun sa ibang mga traders na kabisado na yung galawan ng stock, inaabangan na lang nila na pumunta dun sa support level yung stock, nagmapakita ng reversal sign before they enter the trade. So this is the buying area. At ito naman yung selling area. Okay, so buy low, sell high. So there will be times na kapag nag-bounce yung stock dun sa support level, ba dito, hindi siya eksaktong tumatama dun sa resistance. So ganyan lang, hanggang dyan lang sa mga 70%, 60%, and then bababa ulit siya doon ulit sa support level. And then magbabounce ulit siya. And then aangat ulit. So ganyan lang, pa-zigzag lang. Parang wave lang siya, no? So kaya ang strategy ng iba, bago pa umabot yung price ng stock doon sa resistance, binibenta nila. So 60% from the support level or 70% nagtitake profit na sila. Ngayon alam na natin yung support and resistance. Ang questions ng iba ay how to draw support and resistance. Pakita ko muna sa inyo on how to not draw the support and resistance. Yan, so gamitin natin example si Globe on how to not draw a support and resistance. So napakadaming linya, no? Sobrang dami na linya, nakakalito. At masyadong dikit na yung entry at saka yung exit. So wala nang masyadong possible gain. So this one don't make sense too much. Kaya kailangan natin siyang bigyan ng mas malinaw na support and resistance. Now the first answer to the question how to draw support and resistance lines is we have to zoom it out. We have to make it smaller to see the bigger picture. Okay, let's use globe again. So ang ginamit ko dito is noong 2019. Okay, para walang bias. So the first step is to make it smaller. So we have to zoom it out. So ginagawa ko 2 years back from now until 5 years. So maximum na yung 5 years. So it's 2019, balikan natin 3 years from now. 2 years from now, yan. Okay, so ito yung ating chart. 2016, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so consider natin yung 4 years. Second step, plot the support and resistance line and select the most distinct level. Ito yung ating most distinct level. So this one is obviously a resistance, number one, and this one as well, this area here. Okay, identify naman natin yung support, this level here, alright, and meron din dito sa area na to. Okay, so yun yung mga level ng ating support and resistance. And last but not the least, adjust the line to find the most touches. So we will have to adjust the line para makita natin yung most touches. Yan, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yan, sa level na yan. We also have to take note that lines don't work if you only look at the same level. Pero kung i-consider mo yung area na very close to that level, mas magiging malakas yung epekto niya. Let's go back to globe. I think sinasabi nating area. Here, yan. Okay. So this one is a support area. And eto din. Yan, hanggang dito. Yan, possibly hanggang dyan. So yun yung level na yan, yung support. And atin namang resistance, yan, dito yung normal area niyan. Isang line na yan. Ayan, oh, merong small consolidation dyan sa area na yan. At dito din sa level na yan. Okay, pero ilang beses siya nauntog? Nag-resist yung price multiple times, di ba? So, 4 times. So, yung tinitingnan natin na most touches. Ito rin, isa, once, twice, third time. Yan, dalawa actually dito sa area na to. Ito din. Ayan. So, it means that this level here, since nagkakaroon siya ng rejection, ito yung price kung saan diyan nagkakaroon ng malakas na mga buyers at humihina yung selling pressure. Dito din sa level na to, yan, 1, 2, 3, yan. And then 4, and then 5. Yan. And if we will move the chart to the right, makikita natin dyan na same din yung support and resistance. So dito may bounce, yan sa level na yan, and dito din sa area na to. At may rejection dito sa level na to. Yan, okay. So alam na natin, no? So once mag-breakout yung stock, kumabas na nag-breakout siya, di ba? At malakas yung pagkaka-breakout niya. Ibang usapan na yan. So we have to create another support and resistance level dyan sa area na yan. Once mag-breakout yung stock. Alright? Yan. So malinaw na, no? Ngayon na mas malinaw na kung paano na-draw yung support and resistance level, kailangan natin maintindihan kung bakit ba natin ito ginagamit. Para saan ba ang support and resistance? Alright, number 1, we use support when entering the trade. So this most likely occurs in the support level where buyers become aggressive and selling pressure declines due to lower prices. Let's just remove these arrows here. Ayan. Remove muna natin yan. Remove muna natin to. Okay. Remove natin yan. So since ito yung ating support, dito sa level na to, mostly ng mga traders, they enter the trade here and here. And here as well. So if you are going to move it forward again, yan. So dito ulit yung iba. Diyan sila nag-accumulate. Next is when exiting the trade. So this most likely occurs in the resistance level where the sellers become aggressive and buying pressure declines due to higher prices. Balikan natin yung chart. Let's remove this arrow here. Yan, tanggalin natin yung mga arrows na yan. Okay. So this is the area where traders normally sell their positions. Yan. So, sell dyan sa area na yan. Kasi syempre, sino ba naman gusto bumili sa higher price, di ba? Mostly ng mga traders, ang ginagawa nila, once it reaches or before it reaches the resistance level, binibenta nila yung kaya ng stock. So, ang ginagawa ng iba, as I said earlier, binibenta nila dito sa level na to once it reaches this area, 60% or 70% from the support line. Alright, may iba dito sa level na to, binibenta nila dyan. So, depende kung ano mas prefer nyo, no? Kasi may iba, so yung iba, malalaki yung position nila sa isang stock, kaya kahit 5% lang or 3% yung inangat ng isang stock, malaki na rin yung nagigain nila. So, depende pa rin sa volume talaga, no? May iba naman, hinihintay yung umabot dun sa resistance level. May mga chances kasi na hindi na talaga sila umaabot. So, as a tendency, ang ginagawa nila iba, once magkaroon ng isang rejection or two rejections, doon na sila nagbebenta. Just like this one. So, umangat yung stock, nagkaroon ng rejection, and then umangat ulit, and then nagkaroon ulit ng rejection. So, dito pa lang sa level na to, binibenta na nila. So, as I said earlier, if you are planning to sell in this level, that is totally up to you. Call mo yun. Alright? So, pwede rin dito sa taas. Depende sa'yo kung ano mas prefer mo. Ngayon, sa support level naman, ang ginagawa ng iba, hinihintay nila magkaroon ng bounce. So, tinitingnan din nila yung candlestick pattern. Let's just remove this one first. So, tinitingnan nila yung candlestick pattern. Tinitingnan din nila yung volume. So, tinitingnan nila lahat, pati price action. So, most importantly, ang kailangan makita dyan is yung combination ng dalawa. Price action. Kailangan mas aggressive yung mga buyers. Candlestick pattern. So, once makita na natin yung candlestick pattern na bullish, and at the same time, makita natin yung aggressiveness ng mga buyers compare sa mga sellers, maganda yung number ng trades, then we can start to test buy. So, this area here, this is a buying area. This one also. Alright? At meron pang isang purpose ang support and resistance, which is yung iba nakakalimutan na ng iba. But this is very important as well. When we are managing risk, so this is to prevent losses from getting out of control. So, yeah, let's go back to the chart. Ito lumagpas na siya, di ba? Yan. And then, nung nag-bounce siya, nauntog na siya. So, yung dating support, nung nag-breakdown yung stock, tas umangat ulit, naging resistance na siya. And then, bumaba ulit yung price. At yung previous resistance, nag-breakout siya doon. Alright, ngayon, ang ginagawa ng ibang mga trader, etong level na to, diyan sila nag-cut loss. Yan. Okay, so etong area na to, diyan sila nagka-cut. Kasi nag-breakdown siya dyan eh. Lumagpas na siya, so kailangan mo i-manage yung risk mo. Ginagawa ng iba, nagka-cut sila. Kahit ako, ganun din ang gagawin ko if in case lumagpas siya doon sa support. So, pwede mo siyang gamiting risk management tool. Alright? So, pwede natin makita yung ating support and resistance using different technical indicators. Number one on the list is the horizontal lines, which is the basic line na pinakita natin kanina. Second one is the trend line. I'll show you an example. Okay, sa ating uptrend, pakita natin si R8. I-draw lang natin yung ating trend line. Yan. Okay, so ma-identify na natin yung ating support. Once, ito meron pa pala dito isa. Yan. This is the second, and this is the third, and this is the fourth. Ayan, so, ganyan lang siya. And, pwede natin i-add yung ating resistance. Yan, so, If in case next time na bumaba ulit siya, possibly na magiging ganito ang move niya. Angat or possibly bumaba. Tapos ang maximum ay hanggang dito. Yan. Or pwede rin hanggang dyan. So dito sa level na to. Check din natin si Wilcon. Ito yung ating trend line. Yan. Okay. Alright. So yan lang sa level na yan. Now if you are planning to enter the trade, kailangan ay dito lang sa level na to. So ito naman yung ating resistance. Yan sa area na yan. Okay. So nung lumagpas siya, ang tendency ay bumalik ulit siya. Nagkaroon price rejection at dumapo ulit siya dito sa ating support level. So yan ang purpose ng ating trend line. Alright? Okay, sa mga downtrend, pakita naman natin si PHA. Yan, so obviously downtrend yung stock. Gamitin natin ng ating resistance. Yan. Okay, so kung mapansin nyo guys, lagi siyang nauntog dyan sa trend line na yan. Ating descending trend line yan. Ngayon, itong stock na to, kapag umangat ulit siya, possibly, mauntog siya dito sa ating trend line. So, kung magkakaroon ng continuation, baka bumaba pa siya ng bumaba. No? So, yan lang yung magiging possible activity niyan. Ngayon, para mag-sideways siya, kailangan niya mag-breakout dito sa level na to. Okay, tapos i-draw din natin yung ating support. Yan. So, parang ganun din, no? Yan yung ating channel. Ang susunod na technical indicator na pwede natin gamitin ay moving average. So, for me, ang ginagamit ko is exponential moving average. So, depende sa inyo kung ano mas prefer nyo. Alright? Now, balikan natin yung chart, which is the PHA. Ngayon, tanggalin mo natin itong mga arrows na to para mas malinaw natin magawa yung ating moving averages. Yan. Okay, so plot lang natin yung ating exponential moving average. Number 1 is 200. Second is 50. Third is EMA 20. Kung may sense ba si EMA 20, mukhang wala naman. So let's remove this. So EMA 50. Ngayon guys, since downtrend yung stock, yung EMA 50 siya yung nagsisilbing resistance. Once, twice, and then this is the third time. At eto, pwede na natin itong i-consider yan. Nagkaroon ng price rejection dyan. So, yun yung times na pwede natin gamitin yung ating moving averages or exponential moving average as a resistance. Isa pa sa pwede natin gawing example, halimbawa sa EMA 20 naman is si ACN. So, if we notice here, multiple times siya nag-bounce sa EMA 20. Once. This is the second time, and this is the third time. Okay, so may mga times na pwede siyang lumagpas, no? But that doesn't mean na hindi na siya angat. So, since malakas naman yung force ni ACN, mas aggressive yung mga buyers. So, ang tendency is paangat talaga yung stock. Okay, that's why it's very important na we have to identify first kung ano yung trend. Kasi sa Philippine stock market, wala tayong short trading. Kailangan lahat uptrend. 'Di ba? And lastly, ay yung ating Fibonacci. Okay, let's use ABS-CBN as an example. Plot lang natin yung ating Fibonacci. From here till here. Alright, so it's very clear no na this level here served as a strong support at ito din yung line na to, which is the 0.236 area. Yan, yung line na yan, siya yung nagsilbing support. At yung resistance naman, dito sa level na to, which is the 0.5, at ito rin, resistance, nagkaroon ng rejection, yan, nagkaroon din ng rejection. Alright? So, ito ring level na to ay nagkaroon ng rejection. So, yan yung mga area ng resistance. So, as I said earlier, the area or the level where there are lots of touches, yun yung kinoconsider natin na key level area. Support and resistance. As a conclusion, the best thing about support and resistance is that it works great in all financial markets. So, be it Forex, be it stock market, or be it cryptocurrency. Also, you can use it in lower or higher time frames, 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour, 4 hours, weekly, pwede mo rin siya magamit. So, walang rules. There are no rules on how far back we can draw the support and resistance, but most traders use the recent ones as it represents the fresh price level where the market had difficulties to break above and below. So, ang ginagamit ng iba, ako, ang prefer ko is maximum 5 years. May ibang traders ginagamit yung 2 years, ginagamit ay 1 year lang, ginagamit ay 3 years, but for me, maximum is 5 years. Depende sa galaw ng stock. Minsan ginagamit ko 2 years, but maximum na is 5 years. And lastly, lines don't work if you only look at the same level. But if you consider the area that is close to them, doon siya magkakaroon ng effect. Okay, so area kasi yan is zone. So kailangan meron kang ranges na pwede mong magamit or pwede mong i-consider as a support and resistance level. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. Ngayon kung meron kayong gustong gawa natin ng video next time, just put it on the comment section. Gagawa natin yan ng video. Also, please like and follow my page, Mema Trader, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel dahil doon natin ito ipopost. Click nyo lang yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I post a video. Alright? Sana nakatulong sa inyo guys and see you on the next video.